catch. I'm going to show you how to make this really scary phone charging station for Dad. For this project you'll need some nice bright coloured paints, a jar of water to wash your brushes in, the air drying clay to make your monster, a pen to pop a hole in it, and your paintbrushes to paint him. So firstly we're going to grab our clay. Have a think about the size of your dad's phone because you may need 1 or 2 cases, but if there's any left over you can just wrap it in some cling wrap. So now we'll need to knead the clay. So you could either do it through the plastic or straight onto the table because it'll just wash off. Kneading the clay is important because it makes it softer and easier to work with. Once you finish kneading your clay to soften it up, form a ball again. We're going to separate it in 2, one for the head and one for the body of our monster. The next step is to pinch up the sides and to start forming the mouth of your monster. Then we'll take the second ball and start to form the head of the monster. So you might notice my monster's head's getting a bit floppy here. So what I'm going to do is take some of the extra clay I've got and build up on the inside a little bit to give it a bit more strength, and on the sides, and also can build up a bit more on top to get his head nice and firm. And now we're ready to make the hole for the charging cord to go through. Now we need to give our monster a personality with his tongue. If you've got a rolling pin, it's really good to roll the tongue out flat. Whoa, that's a long tongue. Pop it in and see how it looks. So we've got some spikes, you can give him any amount you need. Here's his eyeballs and also his 3 little teeth. As you can see, the monster's head's still a little bit floppy, so I'm going to scrunch some paper up to give him a bit more support while we stick the spikes on. Now you can take your spikes. I'm going to use a little bit of water on the base just to attach it and smooth it on. Once you finish decorating, just leave it to dry. Here comes the fun part. We're going to paint our monster. I've chosen some really scary colours to start with. Now that our monster's nice and dry, it's time to see if Dad's phone's going to fit. Perfect. You might have some old material or one of Dad's old shirts laying around, so you can even make a furry one or a crazy monster here. And there you have a scary gift for Dad from your little monster.